I know I seen it. Come on, come on, come on. Press X. Thank you.
This is good.
I could have. Oh, what is that? One right there and one right there.
Was that loud? Let's stay together.
Which way is boat? I don't care. Don't really care. Oh, you right here.
This won't fit in the door.
Where my pick at? I see it.
A lockpick?
What you waiting on? Oh, it's a sissy grandpa right here. Bro, how did you detect me, man? Oh, I thought I heard. Oh, sissy was right there or something. Oh, well. This door's open. Is one of them back here? Wow. Wow. That was easy and quick. I want to see what else. What can I get done? Sissy, Johnny. Okay. I want to see what else can I get done. Well, he got that done. There's a generator.
Where's this go?
This'll be. I'm gonna see your inside before this.
Give me all of this. Come on. Stop playing with me. Give me this.
Think about it.
You running this way, Bubble? You running this way? Which way you running? Where you running, Bubble? Dude, I'm not letting you hit me with that chainsaw, bro. Oh, well. This way. Are you sure about that? Oh man, sissy over there, I ain't stunning y'all, man. It's like once you make it out them type of ways, it's too easy, bro. It's too easy, but they all in the backyard. I'm turning the generator off right now.
It's done.
Generator turned off.
Think. How do we get out of here?
What up? What up? What up? Let me just walk right past you. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't even look at me. Matter of fact, watch it walk away. How about that? Just watch it walk away. Hey man, listen, you ain't got to be doing the things you're doing, bro. You know that, right? You can turn yourself in. I ain't snitching, bro. I ain't gonna snitch on you, bro. I ain't gonna snitch. You now go get the others. Me and Johnny over here chilling. Alright, Johnny, I'll mess with you, bro. See you, Johnny. I don't know what Johnny doing, but Johnny said, you know what, you got it, Chief. Johnny seen them cakes and he was like, I can't do it. He seen them cakes she got. I'm up out of here, team. The generator's turned off and the car battery should be turned off. Well, they probably turned it back on, but I'm out of here, team. We made it.
Someone has to help us.
GG.